Never has such a bizarre fishing method been seen. Carter cast a fake fish that closely resembled a real fish into the water. Then, he did something surprising. He lay down without hesitation on the boat's platform and plunged his head deep into the seawater, letting the fishing boat swiftly drag over the sea's surface. Although this behavior seems crazy, it actually allows him to perceive more sensitively, from a submarine perspective, whether the fake fish managed to attract prey. Thus, Carter stayed in the seawater for some time and finally noticed there was some abnormal movement below the water. He immediately called his companions to stop the boat and soon after, dove in with a harpoon. Although the principle of this method is unknown, after a frenzy of white bubbles, Carter also emerged from the water. When he returned to the fishing boat, he first retrieved the fake fish model he had cast into the sea. At the same time, the white bubbles kept rising non-stop. It's hard to imagine what fish is on the other side of the string. Moments later, Carter began to reel in the string. From the effort he was exerting, it was clear that the fish below the water was not small. Carter was pulling hard on the string when suddenly the big fish in the water started to move forcefully. The enormous force was unexpected for Carter, and the string he had just reeled in was quickly pulled back. He quickly adjusted his posture, grabbed the string again, and clenching his teeth, began to pull back. He soon managed to control the situation and reeled in some of the string, but soon came a second wave of force from the big fish below the water. This time, the two sides were at a stalemate. With his desperate struggle, he finally managed to control the situation and began reeling in the string.